Hello, fellow travelers!
Hello!
It's Neil.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is To Travel and Tour. In this episode of the series we're making together with Visos Travel about our stay at the Secrets Capri Riviera Cancun all-inclusive resort in Mexico, we are going to show you around in the rooms that we had.
Yes, rooms.
After this.
Deliberately said rooms about this video because we had more than one room. We had two.
Yes.
There were some issues and they did a great job of taking care of it. And so they switched our rooms. And so you get to see what it's like in two different types of rooms at the Capri.
Please enjoy. What do you say, Kimberly? Ready to check out our room?
Mexico!
I take that as a yes. Let's have a look.
Now, I do want to say that we did get the lowest grade room possible, which was king with a incredible view. Now, I haven't even looked in here yet.
Let's have a look at these closets.
Ooh.
Pretty standard closets.
And they have
They have what?
an umbrella.
Oh, there you go. Ah, they're safe.
Yes.
That is in the next closet over. So I'm assuming this kind of works the same way as a cruise ship safe.
It should tell us somewhere. This is the bathroom, and it is really pretty.
Ooh, let's check that out.
You have a nice makeup
Wow.
there.
This is
I think
one of the most beautiful bathrooms I've ever seen.
it might be lit. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what all the buttons do. Because there's all different buttons.
Of course, so you have to press all
I
of
gotta
them.
press all the buttons.
Look at this tub. That's really nice. That actually has jets in it too. Wow. Does that have a shower head as well? Yeah,
Yeah.
it does. Huh. And then, I do believe it actually has a separate shower.
Yes, it does. Which is in here.
There we go. Nice. Pretty spacious too for a shower. Nice. Next door over, that's where the toilet actually is.
Yep.
Alright. Double sink.
Now, there is a door here, and there are over here shutters. So you can keep them open.
I'm not exactly sure why that's necessary, but
No, it's one of the things that a lot of people that reviewed this hotel were like, why is that there?
yeah.
I don't know. I think it's so that if you want to be in there and look outside at a beautiful view, you certainly can.
What, you're gonna stand up in the tub and go, oh, there's the balcony.
It's also a shower. It's another shower.
Yeah, so you're just going to peek
Yes.
outside.
Yes. I don't know. Not my pick. And there's a mirror.
Yep. Nice size television.
And there's a mini bar.
There is the mini bar. Ah, let's check this out, see what's all in there. Not a whole lot, but
No?
we do have Coronitas. There's 4 of them. Some
Okay.
soda. I see water in there. Some fruit juice. Drawers in here. Little coffee maker from what that looks like. It's so spacious in here, don't you think?
Yeah, there's plenty of room.
I mean, this is hands down one of the biggest rooms we have stayed at, don't you think?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm impressed with this bed.
Really?
The bed really looks nice.
Inviting.
Inviting, yeah, for sure. It's very hot.
Yes. And we are going to turn this down a bit.
I'm gonna go ahead and check out the balcony. Here comes Kimberly opening the door to the balcony.
Putting the sunglasses on.
Sunglasses are on. And oh, that's an insect door. That's nice.
Yeah.
Screen door. Whoa, I thought it was hot like
Yeah.
elsewhere at the resort, but this must be one of the hottest places that I've been at the resort so far. I don't know why, but this is... So, as you can see, we don't have a whole lot of a view, but it's nice and quiet here.
But I will say this too, is I don't think those are rooms above us.
What, these here?
Yeah, maybe not.
I don't know.
And next to us is empty, and the room on this side is not rented.
Well, I will say you have a lot of privacy here.
But the other ones all have little awnings that you could sit under, and ours does not.
Yeah, well, so be it. I will say this, I like the fact that we are not like right at the highway.
Mm-hmm.
So basically when you enter this resort, there is like some kind of a street you go down first, and then after a while you actually reach where all the buildings are and where the rooms are. So you're not right at the highway. And so, yeah, that makes for a nice and quiet area.
Mm-hmm. opinion, at the Secrets Capri Riviera, there wasn't a whole lot of difference in the different types of rooms.
No, there wasn't.
Other than the view. The one had a little more dead space than the other, but other than that, that's the only real differences we could see.
Right. We would also like to note that the view from the smaller room was actually better since
Yes.
it overlooked both the pool and part of the sea.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Absolutely.
Gorgeous view.
Our fellow travelers Rafael and Amanda from Visos Travel have also made a video about their room, which you may want to check out. I'm
Yes.
sure they have a very different perspective from what we have.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please make sure to hit the good old thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, also make sure to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Neil.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is To Travel and Tour.